Hi, let's get into few Spark examples. When you start Spark shell, it's going to create a Spark context object for you. And you can access the Spark context object through a variable called SC. Let's see that. So when I type SC in a Scala shell, I mean Spark, Apache Spark shell, it gives me the object Spark context. So I can use this Spark context object to create RDD. Let's see an example. Well, data, I have an array object which has data 1 to 10. So we have a Scala object. I'm going to create an RDD out of it. So data RDD equal to. So we already learned that Spark context object is used to create RDD. Yes, see that there is a method called parallelize and pass the object, and we can also go ahead and say how many partitions we want. I'll go ahead and say that I need two partitions now. So we have now data RDD. So here is that. This is an RDD object. So it has two partitions. Let's see how many partitions it has. Data RDD dot partitions dot sorry. So, yeah. So we have two partitions which we already specified here. Okay, let's count how many elements are there in the RDD. So we have RDD object data RDD dot count. It's going to tell me, it's going to give me 100. So what are these logs talks about? So it got a job, it got a stage as well. It's submitting stage. Let's see what it all. So it has two submitting two missing tasks from stage 1. That's great because we created two partitions out of Scala object. So it creating a task set, okay, with two tasks, and it's giving it in a task set manager, and the task set manager is going to give it an executor where executor is running two different tasks. Since we created two partitions, there are two executor which is running task 0.0 and task 1.0. And the executor finished 0.0 and 1.0. A task set manager finishes task 0.11, then it's going to remove the task set from there. Remove task set dot task set 1.0. Those tasks have all completed from full. So that's how Apache Spark is executing tasks.